Now, in this section, we will learn the third derivation, that is log a power m base x is equal to m log a base x. As in the previous problem, take log a power m base x as some p. Convert this into power notation. Then a power m is equal to, this goes like this, x, and p becomes power, x power p. In the same way, take only this part, log a base x, as you have already used p here, therefore you take q. Convert it into power notation, a is equal to x power q. Take the first relation, write it here, a power m is equal to x power p. What is a? A getting from here, a is equal to x power q. Instead of a, write x power m already there, x power a is x power q, therefore write q here, x power p. As the bases are equal, powers are equal, therefore p is equal to m into q. Then what is p? P is what? Log a power m base x is equal to m into, what is q? Q is here, that is log a base x. Remember, these two very important for future use. A power 0, anything power 0 is 1, you know. If you want to convert it into logarithms, 0 here, a log 1, this a becomes base. Log 1 to any base, log 1 to any base is 0. In the same way, a power 1 is equal to a, you know. Then 1 is equal to log a, this becomes base a. Log anything to the same base is 1. Log a base a is 1, log m base m is 1. Very important, these three. And previous two derivations, most important. Now, based on this, we will do some problems. Determine the value of the following. Log 5 base, log 5 base 25 can be written as 5 square. 5 is nothing but 5 power 1. Bring both the powers like this, 1 by 2 log 5 base 5, 5 base 5 of log 5 base 5 is 1, half into 1 is half, that's all. In the same way, this is log 3, 3 power 4, power is 1, 1 by 4 log 3 base 3, that is 1 by 4 into 1, that is 1 by 4 is the answer. Log 1 by 16 can be written as 1 by 2 power 4 base 2. Log, if you bring it to numerator, power becomes negative. 2 power 4. 1 by 2 power 4 is minus 4 base 2. According to formula log a power m, m log a. Therefore, bring this to here, that is minus 4 log 2 base 2. Minus 4 into what is log to the same base? Log a base a is 1. Therefore, minus 4 is the answer. Log 1 to any base. You know log 1 to base is 0. You can do it another way. What is 1? 7 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. Therefore, 7 power 0 is 1 base 7. This becomes the quotient according to log a power m base a is equal to 0 into log 7 base 7. This is nothing but log a base a, that is 1. 0 into 1 also 0. Same answer. This one and this one. Now, log root x is nothing but x power 1 by 2 base x. 1 by 2 becomes, this is log a power m. Power becomes quotient 1 by 2 log x base x. 1 by 2 log x base x is 1, that is 1 by 2. Log 512. 512 factorize 2, 2 2s, 2 5, 2 6, 2, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 8s, 2 6, 4, 2 32, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is 2 power 9 base 2. This power becomes quotient log 2 base 2. 9 into 1, that is 9. Log, this can be written as 1 by, how many numbers are there after decimal? 2. Therefore, that is 100 base 10. Log 1 by, this can be written as 10 square base 10. 10 square, if you bring it to numerator, it becomes negative, minus 2 base 10. Minus 2, bring it to this position, minus 2 log 10 base 10. Minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. Last problem for today's class. Log 8 can be written as 2 by 3. 8 by 27 can be written as 2 by 3 whole cube. This is 2 by 3. Consider 2 by 3 as a. Log a base a. Log a power m. Power becomes quotient 3 log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 3 log same to the base same. 1, 3 ones 3. That's all for today's class.